Hi, today I'm going to make ginger chicken strips and vegetables. So I've got 3 breasts of chicken sliced. I have palm oil for my frying. I decided I had a fairly green mango in the fridge, so I'm going to use that to add sweetness to the recipe. Broccoli, green pepper, carrots. I had a little bit of zucchini, so I thought I'll use it. Some garlic, fair bit of garlic. And then there's also crushed chilies, ginger, sugar, a couple of eggs, sesame oil, rice vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch, and a 1/2 cup of water. So let's get started. While I'm preparing the batter for the chicken, I'm going to do preheat, sear, high, actually I'm going to do medium, and start. And in the meantime, I'm going to also heat the oil. It's says to do about a 1/2 cup of oil, but I think I'd like to add, it's easier to add than take away. So we'll just let that heat while I get the chicken prepared. 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. And a 1/2 cup of filtered water. And whisk. Okay, so we have all the cornstarches dissolved. And now we're to add 2 eggs. Add in strips, like 1 breast at a time, so that I can saute it without a problem. Now that I'm ready to work with this, I'm going to do saute high. And start. Placing the chicken into the hot oil with care, as I expect this is going to spit. This time they're all in one piece. I'm going to see if it's at all possible to flip it as one piece. Let's see. Nope. Can't blame a girl for trying though. In my blender cup, I had sliced up some ginger and threw in whole garlic cloves, just a pinch or 2 of the chili flakes, a 1/4 cup of sesame oil, a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I pureed and or blended it in my Ninja blender cup. And now I have a paste for going over the vegetables and the meat. While it's still hot, leave it in sear high, and there's just a little bit of oil left in the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to add some broccoli and carrots, because those will take longer than the rest. So I will add these sort of in succession of hardness. So this is sort of, it's like, well, it's a stir fry. Once it comes back up to temperature, it'll be a little better than a few minutes. This paste was, oh, that smells so good. Oh yeah. So the softer vegetables like the zucchini and the small bits of green peppers will go in last. I think I will put the mango in next once the carrots and the broccoli start to thoroughly heat up. I wanted to talk a little bit about mango. I discovered a happy mistake was that I like mango while it's still firm. I don't like mango so much when it's soft and mushy like a peach. And when I peel it with a potato peeler and slice it, I diced it up in the in my chop wizard, the Vidalia chop wizard. So once I sliced it, I threw it in the small grade of the Vidalia, and I ended up with little cubes. I mean, it's perfect. The same with the green peppers and the carrots. So prep time for this meal was actually very little time. Okay, so those vegetables are starting to get quite warm. So the next hard thing that in succession is the mango. So we'll get the mango heated up a little bit. I expect that the mango is going to add just that little bit of punch to this meal. Look at how colorful that is. Oh, yes. And again, as I've said in previous videos, I don't like my vegetables soft. I like them al dente or a little bit on the firm side. So I won't be cooking this too much, but then, you know, if you like your vegetables very soft or softer, then adjust your cook time accordingly. I'm now going to add the green peppers and the few zucchini that I have. So I'm just using up what I had in the crisper. While these are still cool, I'm going to separate them because they went in and they want to stay together. So let's just break up the group. I suppose I could have cut them in half, but there'll be a special treat that we get when you get the odd zucchini in on your fork. Oh yeah. In the meantime, it looks like there's going to be more than enough chicken. Alright, give this all a stir. Oh God, I'm making a mess. Get them all mixed in. Oh, yeah. All right, here comes the ginger mixture. Okay, do you know how to spell smelling heavenly? Oh, yeah. I'm going to turn this off. There will be enough heat there just to... Oh, yes. I'm thinking this is going to be a do-over. Oh, yes. I gotta get a little bit more. Yes, look at that. Time for the taste test. First, let's try the zucchini. The zucchini is firm, yet heated all the way through. My mouth is watering. Let's try a little piece of chicken. Chicken is flavorful and tender. Let's try some of the green pepper, broccoli, and mango and carrot. Okay. That is a do-over. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will come back. If you have any requests and or comments, please comment below. And I hope you have a great day. Keep coming back because there'll be more.